channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. So today it's Monday and I'm basically going to the bank. I should have gone from last week or maybe the week before, but I kept on procrastinating, but I'm gonna go today and get it out of the way. Plus I need to go and purchase braids because I need to pull this out and wash it and stuff. So I need to purchase braids because I'll be going to the hairdresser tomorrow, which I might take you guys along as well. So I hope you will enjoy this vlog and come along with me today. Guys, so I'm back home. So yeah, me actually come home like this because I stopped at my sister's house for a while. We were both in Christiana. We were in Christiana together. So I decided why not just pull up my hair because I want to go to the hairdresser early in the morning, maybe hopefully by 9 o'clock. So and it was crochet braids. So, you know, crochet easy for pull out, easy. It maybe took me like less than half an hour or so. My mother was there as well, because she was babysitting my nephew, that's my sister's baby. And she said, so what time you finish pull out that hair there? About 10 o'clock. I said, no mommy, not take so long. Not take so long. That me love with crochet now. It not take long if you pull out. Comment down below if you guys love crochet, because I know I do. It basically do fast and it's easy if you pull out. So what I'm doing now, me just pull them out, and then tomorrow morning I can basically wash it, because obviously me come home late. Me now but I wash my hair so late because about what time now, about to 8 or so p.m. So I'm pulling it out now, yeah, and go braid it tomorrow. Am I the only one that don't wear natural hair? Me can't bother. Sometimes I will do it once a while, but me just can't bother for wear natural hair. Me can't bother for comb it, even though I work from home. So it's not a case where it's not a case where I'm going out, so I have to be combing here every minute or whatever. But me just can't bother. Like once a week when me go like go to the supermarket and go to church or whatever like that. That's it. Otherwise, I have my bonnet when I use. But yeah, let me show you guys the hair that I bought. So usually my hairdresser, normally as I say, I always put in crochet. So I've been wanting to do, I hope you guys can see it. I'm not seeing my camera screen because my camera is faced to me and I'm not seeing the screen because I'm using a tripod and ring light. But I hope you guys can see this. It's Expression and it says pre-stretched. It's not on this one, well it says it here, but I realized that some of them, this one is pre-stretched as well. All of them are pre-stretched braids. So my hairdresser told me, I didn't know that they have such braids. Oh, as I was saying, sorry guys, as I was saying, usually I would do crochet because it's faster. For one, it's basically kind of like an investment, because for those who wear crochet, you know, depends on the crochet braids. And if you saw my hair in the previous clip, those ones you can take out and wash and put in back. So it's a good investment for me. Plus my hairdresser do hair slow. She do hair slow, so me always try to do hair where not take a lot of time for she do or whatever like that, and most of the times I'm very busy, so I normally go there in the evening time, and so me not have time for go down in the evening go put in other braid except crochet. I've been wanting to do box braids for a while, but every time I think about if you go down there and so I go take a while for do and I can't bother me not do it. But I have a little free time now, so I've decided to do them. She told me to buy 4 packs of these braids, but I decided to buy 5. Usually if she tell me 3 packs of braid or whatever here me go put in, me buy at least 1 pack extra. That's what I normally do, just to be safe. So I'm hoping that this can do it. So these were what, as I said, I didn't get to take you guys this first, I'm just showing you what I bought. So it's 5 packs, and it's for 750 Jamaican dollars. These ones apparently are a bit more expensive. Maybe if it wasn't the pre-stretch braids, comment down below if you're familiar with pre-stretch braids, because I've never heard of them before. Apparently you don't have to, when they're doing the braids, they don't have to be fixing them and stuff. They already come stretch and uneven, something like that. I don't know about braids like that stuff, but for those who are watching and know about braids, then you'll most likely know what I'm talking about. And then I bought this as well. This is just a regular shampoo. This is what I usually use. $310 for it, Jamaican dollars. I have condition already, maybe half bottle or so. So I just decided to buy a shampoo because the shampoo basically finished. So tomorrow morning now, I wake up and I go wash my hair, and then I go to the hairdresser. So that's that. So basically I go just try my case, pull out the hair and comb it out. So in the morning I won't have this to do. I'll show you, maybe I'll show you a few clips of when I'm doing my hair tomorrow, and of course I'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, I wanted to ask, how long do you guys normally keep your braids for? Crochet braids or regular braids? For me, I don't pull it out like 2 weeks like some people do. As I said, it's an investment. I don't want to be braiding my hair every 2 weeks or every week or every 3 weeks. So for me, I keep mine in for a few weeks. As you can see, it basically grows. So my hair is not tall, but I believe it kind of helps it to grow. As you can see, I don't have tall hair, but I believe it kind of helps my hair to grow. So I don't comb it very often. I don't go to the hairdresser often like some persons do. When I was younger, like maybe 4 or 5 years ago, I used to go to the hairdresser every other 2 weeks or something. At the time I was single and I was working, and I had rent to pay every month. So for the month that I'm paying rent, I wouldn't do my hair, and then I'll do it the other fortnight, something like that, because I used to get paid every fortnight. So I used to do my hair maybe every other fortnight. So I guess you'd say every month, I guess, something like that. I can't do the maths, but yeah. But no, I don't do that anymore. I'm not that much into hair to be doing hair often. Not that I used to put up the biggest hairstyle or whatever, but I just used to do my hair more often. Now, you know, as you get older, you have more responsibility. Even though I was on my own already, as I said, but you know, as I get older, I don't want to be doing hair, and I get busier. I don't want to be doing hair that often. So yeah, I don't do my hair often. As I say, comment down below if you guys do that, because I know I don't. I want it to last, and that is why it's like this. I don't keep it in for months, like, should I say 6 months? Because maybe some people do that. I don't know, but me know me not keep it in like long. But I know it's a couple weeks, and so that's why it's like this. So don't mind this, but yeah, Just wanted to know, how long do you guys keep your braids in for? Guys, it's the next day, so I came with my husband. We talked that I'll get a taxi, so I didn't have to come all the way out here, but I didn't, so I decided to just stop and buy breakfast. So this is what I'm having. So I'm in a taxi now waiting to go to my hairdresser.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh.
Hey guys, so it's 2 days after I got my hair done, so I'm heading back to the same shop because I'm going to get a pedicure, you know, just to treat myself a bit. So the same person who did my hair, she's going to give me she's going to do the pedicure. She also does nails, so she's like a jack of all trade. I'm not going to like add colored nail polish because I don't wear nail polish, but I might just let her add just the clear one a bit. I might just let her add the clear one. So yeah, come along. I just decided to take you guys along.
Trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain it. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butter.
Alright guys, I didn't get to do an outro, but I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love.